Little wave train, little mini wave train here. I don't know. Woohoo! All right, let's turn it. Let's not go over here. Yeah, let's go all four. A little bit of power here. Let's get some speed going into this V. Keep going, keep going. Yeah! Paddle through, paddle through. Here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! My bear.
Half water.
Now we look back at her.
That was good. That was good.
Y'all did awesome. But now we're gonna want some speed on this one. Look at this drip. Look at this drop coming in. That's sick. That is sick. Keep going. Keep going. That's sick. Dude, that drop was so cool. All right, everybody chill, everybody chill. Good job. We might have to paddle through this eddy, but we'll see.
Yeah!
Keep going. Ah, too far, damn it. My bad, my bad. Here we go. Woo! Hell yeah. Damn. Oh, we still got it right here. Keep going. Little wave train right here. All right, everybody just keep a steady paddle.
This is a good one.
Paddle.
Another good one.
I'm going left.
Left.
Yeah.
All right. Paddle hard.
Hard, hard, hard. Woo!
I knew there was one right there.
Yeah!
You can't see that. That's a good one.
I love that one. That was fun. We came and walked right here.
It didn't look that high from the brink.
No, it did not.
These big rivers can be deceiving.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't fear it. Don't fear it. You'll get us there.
I'll get us there. Oh, fuck yeah. Hell yeah. Go, 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 go. 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 Yeah, yeah, dude.
Nice one.
I love that. Right here. Whee! That was a good little hole there. That was good.
Little wave train.
Yeah, like.
That's low water out here.
Yeah,
you know?
that's
Like,
stupid,
damn it.
dude.
We go over this hole.
I see it. I see it.
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Let's go.
do it?
If we have speed, yeah, let's go. Speed, 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 go. Ah, we missed it. I think we got a better line, actually.
Actually, that was pretty
Yeah. Oh shit.
I'm getting dizzy.
Oh shit.
good. Go through the rapid like this.
Dude, I've always wanted. you know you're getting tossed. Where?
Straight ahead.
Speed! Hard! Right. Back. We're good, we're good, we're good. That was nuts. That was nuts.
hit that one good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. It was good you went down.
What do you mean? How'd you know it went down?
I saw you.
Yeah, we were almost sideways for a second.
Yeah, almost.
No, you helped. Oh, good job.
Go all forward. Oh shit. We got 3 in, babe. You're good. You're good, you're good, you're good. Hold on to the boat, hold on to the boat. You're good, you're good. Hold on to the boat. Amanda's downriver.
Is she?
Yeah. Swim. You're good, you're good, you're good. You're good.
We got you.
She lost her sunglasses though.
Pulling up there.
You're good. You're good.
We see you.
I hope that's all.
Yeah.
Can't believe it. That was a big good hole.
Let's go get her. She's still pissed.
All right. I'll paddle right. I'll paddle right. Damn, y'all. I saw one go in. I saw till night. Oh, we got 3 out.
They were like, babe, we got 3 out.
Damn. That's a big.
No, Jill was grabbing the other side. You alright? Yeah.
On camera. Everybody have fun. Speed. All forward. There we go. Woo! That's what I was talking about. Holy shit. Dude, that was fucking sick.
Yeah, you're recording good.
Hell yeah. Paddles get up on that.
Yeah.
That was sick. Getting wet again, boys. All right, all forward, all forward. Big hole, big hole. We're good. You all right? I came forward on that one.
I just took a knee to mine.
Both you guys did. And she took a paddle to the dome.
That's a big coming.
That was a big hole.
Yeah, I was up front with you guys. I'd say so.
Usually you go back, not forward.
Yeah, you all right? Yeah. She definitely took a paddle to the dome.
Yeah,
Did you take a paddle to the dome?
It was the rod though. I was on the T-grip.
I was a little surprised.
Yeah, you guys
You
got
hit the
it.
hole of that one.
For a little bit, you couldn't see it.
That's the goal. For a little bit, I was in the front of the boat actually.
I think we filled it up.
Glad we missed that a little to the left, and then you guys went right.
We always go right for it.
That's pretty impressive in that one.
Hit the hole.
We don't want to cop out.
No.
We want the fun stuff.
No, that water went, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, we're underwater. We're underwater. I'm in the front of the boat.
We were deep.
I got you. No fear. She has no fear. Hold her in right there. Oh God! On his back. He landed straight up.
Yeah!
You a flipper?
No, he landed straight on his back, bro.
Did he?
Yes. Oh, backflip. One, two, three. Good job.
Hey, did you jump?
No!
Good job. Woo.
Nice pack.
Thank you.
Damn it. And we all loved it.
Let me get on camera. Hang
Strong
on.
over there, Chad.
Looking strong.